Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Knowledge. So this is the 34th tutorial of our Django series. So I again welcome you all to Programming Knowledge. So in this video we are going to implement the update operation. So let's get started with this. So basically I have my to-do app. So we click on list all to-dos. So we have a all to-dos list. So basically we want to have a update operation here or edit operation. So for that what we can do, we can move to our list.html and copy this and click here, edit, and change this button to button warning, and at here we can have the edit operation. So for that I'll refresh this page, so I'll have the edit operation. Okay, fine. For this edit operation to have happen, we have to have a url.py. So basically, like for the delete one, we'll have for that for edit. So basically I'll tell you the difference between the edit and update. So basically right now we are implementing the edit operation. So views.edit and name is equal to edit. I hope this is fine. So and in views, then we'll move to views.py file. So here we mentioned views.edit, so we'll implement edit operation here. So for that we'll define edit. I'll give request and id. Okay, so and what we'll do, so I'll copy this line. So basically we are going to render a new HTML file known as edit.html. But before that we need to find the object which we are going to do. So object is equal to do. So basically, like in the delete operation we did this, we got the object which we have to delete. So in the same way we are going to find the object which we have to edit. So then my dictionary is equal to this, which would give title is equal to object dot title, then description is equal to object dot description, then priority is equal to object dot priority. Okay, so then if we want to, so basically the object we want to edit will get the object, then these are the properties or attributes referring to that object, and then we'll pass to edit.html. Okay, I'll tell you why we'll pass to edit.html. Before that we'll move to index.html. So this form was for the submit part. So we will copy this form. Okay, then I'll copy this form. I have created a new file edit.html. Okay, I'll not directly copy this. I'll do one thing. First I'll copy the extend template. So this would get me the extend template. Then I would remove this. Okay, then I will do edit to do. Okay, edit data, whatever you want. Then now I'll move to index.html. I'll copy this form. Okay, then I'll copy this form and paste it here. Okay, so I have this. So I'll complete two divs. So this would, yeah. Now I'll show you one thing. When I refresh this page, I'll click on edit. So I'll move to this form, but still now this form is empty. Okay, first I'll change this add button to update. Okay, first thing I'll do this. Second thing I'll do this, I'll change this URL submit to URL update. Okay, I'll let it be submit now. I'll tell you one thing. So I have a title here, so I'll give a value is equal to title which we had rendered using the dictionary. So this would, I'll refresh this page, so I have basketball here. Okay, so perfectly fine. In the same way I'll have the description, and in the same way I'll have the priority as well. So perfectly fine, it would work. So I'll have a priority as well. Okay, so now what we are going to do, so we have this So basically we'll want to update this. So we can update this very easily. So what we can do, we'll move to urls.py file and define an update operation, update, and I'll take an integer id here again. Then again, so I was telling you there's a difference between an edit and update. So now we'll update this, update, and name is equal to update. Okay, so what we'll do, uh, so we will move to views.py file, define update, request id. So this is particularly same, this would be very much same as the submit operation. Okay, but there would be a minute change, I'll tell you. So first we are not going to create a new object, we are going to update the object with the given id. So this is fine. Second, we'll need to create a import date time. Okay, and updated add underscore is equal to date time dot now. Okay, and then object dot created add is equal to updated add. So this would work fine. So this was telling you that we need to first find the object we are going to update, then title is equal to title, description, priority, then date time we'll create a new date that is updated at, and we'll assign it to the created at, then we'll save it, and then we're going to return the list.html. And one thing we are going to change here is that we are going to change this to update, that is id. But still, one thing I'm missing, that I have not rendered the id from views.py file, so I will do this. Now this should work fine. This is id object.id. Okay, and in my edit.html this should be with curly braces. So this should work fine. So let me create a new to do, new to do now. Okay, give me a priority number of 500. I'll submit here. So it has been created. Now I'll click on edit. So new to do now is new to do now. Now again. Okay, new again. So okay, we check, let me check. This is, yeah, new to do now, new to do now. So yeah, so now what we are going to do, let me edit this, and I'll type new to do now again, then again. Okay, and I'll give priority number of 505. So it throws me an error. Okay, page not found. Okay, let me check to in my urls.py file. Okay, this was having an issue. Yeah, so yeah, I've got I had made a, so here you can see this has been changed. Okay, new to do now again, 505 had been changed. So basically in the same way, let me edit anyone. This is cricket 89. So I'll click on edit. So this is cricket. Okay, I'll change it to football again, new, something like that. So cricket new, and I'll give a priority number of 899. So let me check. So yeah, here you can see this has been updated. Football again new, 899, cricket new, and the time had been updated accordingly. So this works perfectly fine. So we are almost done with the to do app. So we'll catch up in the next tutorial. So what we can implement next, so basically we are done with the all operations. So basically okay, one thing I noticed here, something, let me check. Yeah, this is basketball new 502. So I had only one word, edit.html, title, description, Okay, even I'll try to check up in this tutorial, next tutorial, there is some minute, so basically I'll try to update this football, uh, now. Okay, now I'll give a priority number of a very huge number. So this has been successfully updated. It works perfectly fine. So I'll delete this again. So even the delete operation also works fine. So delete works fine. We can carry, and we'll do to search then football. No, not yet. Maybe we are not matching with. Oh, yeah, we don't have anyone. So let me type DJ. Yeah, so it works all perfectly fine. So almost all operations work perfectly fine. So I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.